My name is Divit Garg.
And my name is Manish Shiran.
We are here to present our model based on streetlights. As we all know, in today's world, electricity is very important. Not to waste the electricity, we have made the model in which when the LDR sensor senses the sunlight brightness, it detects the brightness of the sunlight. Then it switches off the light during the daytime and switches on the light when the light is very less. This helps to save the electricity.
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavya.
And my name is Vash Goyal.
We are here to present a project based on the concept of energy conservation. At this side, when the vehicles move, the turbine rotates and the street light glows.
And in this side, when the wind turbine moves, the street light is blown because it produces the electricity and it helps to blow the light. And our main motive is to show that how we can use the renewable resources to reduce the risk of the electricity.
The renewable resources are getting exhausted and it is our duty to conserve the renewable resources for the future generations. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I, Grisha from 9th standard is going to show you an experiment on the topic chromatography. Chromatography is a process of separating components from their mixture. It is a laboratory technique of separating mixtures from their components. There are 4 types of chromatography: chalk chromatography, gas chromatography, thin layer chromatography and paper chromatography. From this all, I am doing chalk chromatography. So basically, I have taken chalk here and marker. I have marked the line over the chalk. In the speaker, I have taken the water and put this chalk here. The chalk is absorbing water and the color will spread out all over the body of the chalk. As you can see, this is known as the chalk chromatography.
Good morning everyone, I am Pihu from 9th standard. Today I am going to show an experiment on topic density tower in which you all will see the 3 layers of honey, water and oil. The first layer is of honey which have higher density, second layer is of water which have low density and third layer is of oil which have less density than both. I have put a thermocol ball inside it which floats on the oil, that means it has less density, and a nut inside it which shows that it has higher density. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Apar Gupta.
And my name is Manish Shiran.
We made this robot by using the robotic kit. By this we are firstly put the power distribution board by using 3 motors, 4 tires, left control the and right control this. Thank you.
A wonderful morning to all of you. I love Rinkaur. I, Divanshi, we the students of 7th A standard. We are here to represent a robotics model. Our project is on laser security sensor. It means that it will give security to our home when any outsider will enter in it. As we attach the power bank with the wire, the laser light will be on. And as anyone will enter in it, the buzzer will ring. This is how our project works. For a laser security system, some common material required are laser light, chart, artificial grass, artificial dog, cardboard, thermocol, thread. This is how our laser light security sensor project works. Thank you for your
Good morning everyone, my name is Naksh. Today we are the Xavierites of class 8th are going to represent our model based on the smart car parking. Here how it works: when a car enters a smart parking, it automatically opens the gate. When it enters the smart car parking, it automatically closes. This ensures safety and prevents unauthorized access.
Good morning, sir. Today we the Xavierites of class 7th representing a model named water level indicator. indicator. The water level indicator is used to indicate the amount of water present in the tank. So now I will show you how it works. We have represented the water bottle as a tank. If the water amount in tank is 50%, then the green light will glow, or the amount in the water is 75%, then the red light will glow, or the amount is full, the purple light will glow, and buzzer will make sound. So this is how our model works. Thank you for your precious time and have a nice day. Hello everyone, I am Saira. I am Af. We are the Xavierites of class 7th and we have made this model on the topic of farm protection from animals.
This works when an animal enters in the field. The buzzers start working when an animal touches the wire. Now I will show you the working of the model. This is how this model works. Thank you.
Thank you. We really thank you, Principal Ma'am, school, to giving us this wonderful opportunity to make this model. We really thank you them.
Good morning everyone. I am Parabhansal from grade 6th grade.
And I am Ms. Karthi Shan, also from 6th grade.
This is our working model of solar power irrigation. This model shows how a solar panel generates electricity by using solar energy.
In this model, we use one solar panel, motor, pipe, thermocol, etc. using these models.
This solar energy gets changed into electricity by using motor which act here as a pump.
The pump lifts water and sends the water through pipe. I show you the process. It's water.
Plants get water and the irrigation purpose complete. Thank you and have a nice day.
Good morning all. This is our project, our model, life process. Life process are the basic processes that are essential for the survival of living organism. There are four main life processes. It's nutrition, transportation, respiration and excretion. Next is transportation. Here blood gets oxygenated. The oxygenated blood enters the heart and then goes out to the body. And from the body it enters the right atrium, deoxygenated blood, from where it goes to the lungs. And lungs where respiration takes place.
Then air passes from nose, then trachea and bronchioles. There is a group of bronchioles. Then goes alveoli and then exhale.
Good morning, ma'am. I Guru from class 6th B. Today I tell about water purifier. There are some industries through which dirty water comes and gets purified. That dirty water is collected in tank. There are 4 levels through which water travels and gets purified. That water is stored in tank. The use of purified water is in homes, gardens, and car stations. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. My name is Ganesh. I live in Samuel Today I talk about Chandrayaan 3. This is a working project of Chandrayaan 3. It is a lunar mission, lunar third mission trip to moon. It launched on 14 July 2023 and landed on moon 23 August 2023. They control little robot Pragyan explore the moon. Pragyan explore the water on moon and study about soil and rocks of moon. Vishkarma is also part of Chandrayaan 3. It is also robot which make it safe landing. Where Vishkarma land is called Shiv Shakti Point. It is Chandrayaan was the proud movement of our India. Today we are here to present the hydraulic. Hydraulic is a type of fuel that is hydraulic that is today's 4 This type of book is designed to provide a good and efficient training of important chapters and also allow it for the physical as well as chapters to cover. This bridge uses the principle of Pascal's law, which states that a change in pressure in any point of the enclosed field is transmitted to all points in the fluid. This bridge uses fluid hydraulic petroleum-based hydraulic fluids to power up the movement of the bridge. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं अनमोलप्रीत कक्षा 9वीं की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आपको अलंकार के बारे में बताऊंगी। ये हमारी अलंकार वाटिका है। अलंकार का मतलब है गहना या आभूषण। जैसे कि स्त्री अपने आप को सुंदर दिखाने के लिए गहने धारण करती है, वैसे ही काव्य को सुंदर बनाने के लिए कवि अलंकार का प्रयोग करता है। अलंकार 2 प्रकार के हैं, शब्द अलंकार, अर्थ अलंकार। अर्थ अलंकार के 3 प्रकार हैं, अनुप्रास, यमक, श्लेष। अर्थ अलंकार के 5 भेद हैं, मानवीकरण, अतिशयोक्ति, उत्प्रेक्षा, उपमा, रूपक। थैंक यू।
Good morning. Today I just Kiran. Today's model is the major landforms. As we know, our Earth is not same from everywhere. Some areas are flat and some areas are rises higher. There are 5 types of major landforms: desert, plateaus, hills, mountains, and plains. Now, Yuvraj tells about the mountains. Mountain is a high area with steep slope having an elevation more than 1000 feet above the sea. Mountains have conical peaks. Mountains are very important for us because mountain form a natural barrier on rise of hot and cold wind. Many rivers are made from snow-covered mountain and provide water. Mountains are home to rich flora and fauna. Mountains are rich in mineral resources. Valuable forest in the mountain provide timber. Cooler climate in the mountain attract tourists. Now, I will tell about the hills. This is hills. Hills are elevations on the earth's surface which have a distant peak but are lower in elevation than mountains. See, hills are smaller mountains. They are over 500 feet in height but less than 2000 feet. There are some importance of hills. Hills have cooler climate than the surrounding plains. Hills are rich in mineral resources. Now I tell about the plateaus. A plateau is a large highland of flat region, flat from the top and having steep slopes. Importance of plateaus. Plateaus are rich in mineral resources. Plateaus are also rich in rich black soil. The canyons in the Colorado in USA is the famous canyons in the world.
मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है डैम। डैम एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर होता है जो बहुत सारे कामों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, जैसे फार्मिंग, फिशिंग और घर के कामों के लिए। इसका पानी वो होता है जो बारिश के वक्त ज़्यादा हम स्टोर करते हैं। स्टोर किया हुआ पानी बहुत सारे कामों में इस्तेमाल हो जाता है। ये फ्लड होती है उसको भी कंट्रोल करता है। थैंक यू सो मच।
Good morning everyone. My name is Riprit. My name is Anurri Bansal. Good morning everyone. My name is Riprit from class 3. My name is Anurri Bansal. My experiment is to show that something. The aim of my experiment is to show that things float and sink in water. When I put the lemon in plain water, it sinks in water. When I add salt, then I added salt to the water and the lemon started floating. This shows that salt water is heavier than plain water, so the lemon floats. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I Kanika and I Gurbani. Today we have made a model on topic chemistry tree. In this we show different type of chemicals used in chemistry lab. In the first test tube we have used a solution of saffron to obtain a cherished red color. In this conical flask we had used potassium dichromate to obtain this purple color. In the next test tube we have made a solution of calcium hydroxide and added phenolphthalein to it to get a pink color. In this test tube, we have made a solution of sodium hydroxide and red litmus solution to obtain this blue color. In the next round bottom flask, we have added copper sulfate to water to obtain sky blue color. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is a project of digestive system. This is the mouth. The process of digestion starts in mouth where food is chewed and mixed with saliva. This is esophagus. The chewed food is passes through esophagus to stomach. This is stomach. In the stomach, the churned food is mixed with digestive juices. This is small intestine. The food is completely digested into nutrients. This is large intestine. Water is absorbed from the undigested food and stool is formed, which is removed from the body through anus. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are explaining our topic sustainable development. In it, we have divided our earth in two different parts, which determines we are moving to sustainable earth. There, we are described deforestation and afforestation. In deforestation, we are explaining that we are cutting trees continuously. Due to this, animals are dying. But in this part, we are trying to grow plants, due to which animals are living peacefully without any fear. While, as we can see over there, there is industrial pollution going into the rivers, and the melting of glacier took place due to the increasing global warming, and industrial pollution is also increasing due to that. Shows that we are moving to sustainable earth. There we are show rainwater harvesting, where we store rainwater which is at the roof, which is directly goes to the tanks, and there you also see pure water and healthy glaciers. Rather than that, as we can see now, we are using ACs in our house, which is increasing CFC, and due to that CO2 is increasing, CH4 is increasing, and acid rain is there. Due to that, cancer patients are increasing. So cancer hospitals are building more and more. There are various types of cancer increasing, such as skin cancer and blood cancer, etc. Thank you. We can see that in this side earth is happy and in this side earth is sad because of deforestation and pollution, etc. Thank you for listening our words. Have a nice day.
Good morning, everyone. This is Vanshika from grade 9, and today I am performing the formation of sodium hydroxide. And in beaker, I am taking water, and in water, I am adding the common salt, NaCl. After adding common salt, I am mixing it properly, and then after, I am adding the phenolphthalein solution. After adding phenolphthalein solution, I am passing the current through it to make the solution pink. As we are watching, the solution is starting to get color pink.
This is a model of a working microscope. The microscope is an object that helps us to see small details of any object. Microscope is essential in science as it helps us to see or study small organisms, cells, or metals. It was first developed and made by Hans Asagarius Janssen in the 16th century. Anton Milieu Puig improved upon early designs and observed the bacteria for the first time. But it was known as a magical instrument that sees the naked eyes. Microscope is also called 3 glasses. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is my project of teeth. In teeth, many layers are. The first one is enamel. In enamel, it is the hardest layer of teeth. We can touch and feel. And other one is dentine, gum, nerve system, root, neck, and canal. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am and sir. This is my model of shapes. This is a cube. this is a cube shape, this is a cone shape, this is pear shape, this is a cuboid shape, this is a cylinder shape. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am and sir. This is a project of the solar system. The solar system, there are 8 planets in our solar system. The first planet is Mercury, second planet is Venus, third planet is Earth, fourth planet is Mars, fifth planet is Jupiter, sixth planet is Saturn, seventh planet is Uranus, and last planet is Neptune.
They are smallest one is Mercury, largest one is Jupiter. The life is possible on Earth because there was a water at large. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Harmeet.
Hi Harsirat. Hi Komal.
So today we are making the project on layers of earth and layers of soil. The soil is a fundamental component of the earth ecosystem of the medium for plants to toil and obtain their nutrients as well as a help for countless living organisms.
Soil properly is a vertical slice that give different layers of top to the bottom.
As you can see that here we have making the layers of soil, the layers of earth. This layer in which we exist and this layer from where the lava occurs, and these both layers are rocks like granite and basalt generally occurs, and this layer the layers of soil. In this layer we generally lives, and this layer the layer or the soil for the common uses. In this layer the rocks like these are assembled here. These rocks are generally produced. In this layer the lava occurs, and in this layer the mountains and hills generally occurs. And thank you.
I'm going to tell about model of photosynthesis. This is my model of the photosynthesis. Yes, this is my model of the photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their food with the help of sunlight. In this model, I use a small plant, root, soil, water, and chart paper and a sun made of plastic ball. Plant make their own food. They need sunlight, water, and air to make food. Leaves take air, root take water from soil. The sun give light. With this, the plant make food and give us a seed. Plant, are you friend? Yes, plant, are you friend? Thank you and have a nice day.
Father of Hardik and Ranjay Bansal. I really appreciate the performance, and this kind of performance is really appreciated. And I am fully satisfied with the performance, and the whole staff and the all teachers and my dear students, they perform really well. And this kind of performance and this kind of the way you describe the projects and this kind of performance is really well appreciated. And this kind of performance really boosts the confidence of students and morale of students. Thank you.
I am sister of Anshika from 9th grade. We have changed our school this year and we are having a good experience here. Her academics is also improving here. And first year she have been selected as a vice captain. So I hope this school is a good school.
मैं हरंश की मम्मा बोल रही हूँ। मेरा बेटा 4th A में स्टडी करता है। इसकी टांग में फ्रैक्चर हो गया था, उस कारण ये 3 महीने स्कूल में नहीं आ पाया, लेकिन फिर भी इसने इतनी अच्छी रिकवरी की। इसका बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया है, जितना मैंने सोचा नहीं था उससे ज़्यादा अच्छा आया है। इसी कारण इसकी क्लास में भी बच्चों ने क्लैपिंग की, भी बहुत अच्छा रिजल्ट आया। आज हमने साइंस एग्जीबिशन देखा, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था। उसमें बच्चों ने बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की है और उनकी स्पीकिंग बहुत अच्छी है। मैंने देखा, जाके एक बच्चे से बात की, उनका बोलने का तरीका बहुत अच्छा है। बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी करवाते हैं इनके स्कूल में। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मेरा बच्चा भी बहुत खुश है स्कूल में स्टडी करने के लिए।
मेरा नाम मंजुला है, ये मेरा बेटा है, 3rd क्लास में पढ़ता है जेवियर स्कूल में। ये इसकी प्रोग्रेस बहुत अच्छी रही। ये इस बार इसने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, पहली बार इसने ऐसा कुछ किया है। और मतलब बच्चों को प्रोत्साहित किया जाता है, हर बच्चे को, चाहे वो बोल सके चाहे ना बोल सके। पढ़ाई में भी बहुत अच्छा है जेवियर स्कूल, हर एक्टिविटी करवाता है। इन्होंने इतने अच्छे फंक्शन करवाए जो अभी तक किसी ने नहीं करवाए। और स्कूल भी बहुत हैं बट ऐसा किसी स्कूल ने नहीं किया जो भी इन्होंने स्कूल में किया। लेडीज़ के लिए तियों का फंक्शन बहुत अच्छा किया, बहुत ही अच्छी एक्टिविटीज़ करवाते हैं। थैंक यू।